The adult handles come in two sizes, size 1 specifically for the size 1 walker and size 2 and 3 for the size 2 and size 3 walkers. To attach, ensure the grey lever is released and then attach into the receiver unit. Ensure that the button on the right hand side is depressed fully in so that it is secure, and then tighten with the grey lever. To adjust the height of the adult handles, depress the lever here and rotate accordingly to the correct height. To remove the adult handles, release the grey lever and ensure the button is outward, and then remove, like so. The MyWay Plus comes with two headrest options, the standard and the complex. I will demonstrate how to attach the standard one first. Remove the dust cap at the top of the shoulder unit and insert. Then tighten using the adjustment lever on the top. The standard headrest can be adjusted in 3 positions. To do this, release the side screws. Adjust to the correct position. Once achieved, simply reapply the adjustment screws. The second headrest option is the complex headrest. To attach, simply insert into the top of the shoulder section and rotate round to access the tightening screw. Next, tighten the screw with the Leckey tool. Once tightened, the headrest can now be rotated forward. There are 2 adjustment knobs either side of the headrest. These can be released to allow for free movement of the headrest to the correct position. Once the correct position has been achieved, simply tighten these up by hand. The headrest can also be angled up and down using the adjustment screw on top. Once the correct position has been achieved, simply tighten once again with the Leckey tool. To release the complex headrest, use the lower adjustment screw and loosen. This will allow the headrest to rotate away, giving you access to the tightening screw. Using the Leckey tool, release, allowing the headrest to be removed. The MyWay Plus comes with 2 different types of user handle, the standard user handle and the complex user handle. The complex user handle and the standard user handle both come in 3 different sizes. To attach the standard user handle, ensure the grey lever is in its outermost position, as well as the button being in its outermost position as well. Then insert the user handle into the bottom of the receiver unit. Ensure the button is in its most inward position and then tighten the grey lever. There are increments on the side of the user handle to adjust up and down. To release the standard user handle, release the grey lever and ensure the button is in its outermost position, and then remove the basic user handle from the unit. To attach the complex user handle, release the grey lever and ensure the button is in its outermost position. Then insert the top of the complex user handle into the receiver unit. Once at the correct position, ensure that the button is in its most inner position until you hear a click, and then tighten the grey lever. To remove the complex user handles, grip the foam grip with one hand and release the grey lever. Then release the button to its most outer position and remove like so. The complex user handles can be adjusted forward and back using the lower adjustment screw here. The forearm adjustment is achieved using this screw here. Once released, it can move forward and back, like so. The complex user handles have a 3D ball joint that allows for great support of the user's arms. This can be adjusted using the 3 lower screws. The complex user handles can also width adjust using the 3D ball joint and this screw at the front here. When used in combination, they can be rotated in, forward, or back. The complex user handle also has adjustable hand grips. These can be released using the grey dial at the front to move up and down and also rotate as required. The complex user handles come with two types of grips, the cylinder grip and the ball grip. The ball grip comes in 3 different sizes. There are 2 types of saddle on the MyWay Plus, the standard saddle and the slim saddle. I'll firstly demonstrate how to attach the slim saddle to the bottom of the MyWay Plus. To attach either saddle to the bottom of the walker, simply feed the 2 cords through the centre of it and locate on the bottom moulding like so. Then, using the grey lever, pull this down and rotate round until you hear a click. Ensure it is located securely. This is indicated with the green-red indicator on the side of either saddle. Pull the grey lever forwards and rotate downward and then remove from the walker. A new accessory to the saddles for the MyWay Plus are the drops. These are only attached to the slim saddle and come in 3 different sizes. To attach the drop, connect the front pin to the front receiver on the front of the saddle. Once in, rotate until you hear a click. To remove the drop, press the grey trigger at the back and remove, like so. The ankle guides come in 3 different sizes. The looped end and the threaded end go at both the front and the rear of the unit. To attach the ankle guide, remove the knob from the threaded end. Then loop the front loop over the front of the front caster. Put the bolted end into the holes at the rear leg and attach using the knob. Use the tightening knob at the rear to tighten to the desired tension on the ankle guide. Use the black hooks to adjust the range of the ankle guide by tightening like so. This will limit the range of the ankle guide system. The final part of the ankle guide system are the ankle wraps. To attach these, connect the black buckle to the corresponding black buckle on the ankle guide.